Monkey works at banana farm. Monkey is paid in leaves for work. At the end of the week, Monkey earns 100 leaves. Monkey is happy. It's not much, but it's honest jungle work. But Monkey only receives 80 leaves. Monkey government takes 20 leaves. This is called tax. Tax equals leaves Monkey must give to the government. Every monkey pays some kind of tax, even if they don't want to. Monkey complains, "Wait, you take my leaves? This isn't fair. Why do monkeys pay taxes?" Monkey government needs leaves to run the jungle. Taxes fund things all monkeys use: housing for monkeys, hospitals for monkeys, schools for monkey kids, monkey police, monkey firefighters, military guerrillas, libraries, garbage collection, public banana transport, scientific research, even retirement for old monkeys. Types of taxes. Monkey government collects tax in many different ways. Income tax, taken from monkey's paycheck. Sales tax, extra leaf when monkey buys bananas. Property tax, monkey pays if he owns a treehouse. Capital gains, tax, monkey sells treehouse for profit, pays tax. Corporate tax, big monkey businesses also pay tax. Inheritance tax, monkey pays on leaves he inherits. Environmental tax, extra tax for things that hurt jungle. Luxury tax on expensive items like golden bananas. Tariffs, tax on goods from other monkey tribes. Tax brackets, how much tax should monkey pay? It depends on how many leaves monkey earns. The more monkey earns, the higher the tax rate. But monkeys often misunderstand tax brackets. Example, monkey earns 100,000 leaves. Monkey thinks tax equals 22% of all leaves equals 22,000 leaves. Wrong. First 10,000 leaves equals 0% tax. Next 40,000 leaves equals 12% tax, 4,800 leaves. Last 50,000 leaves equals 22% tax, 11,000 leaves. Total tax equals 15,800 leaves. Monkey only pays high tax on the top bracket, not the entire income. How taxes are collected. If monkey is an employee, government auto-deducts leaves. If monkey owns a banana stand or freelances, he must report income. This process is called a tax return. Monkey must count how many leaves earned, check how much tax already paid, list deductions, work-related expenses. Examples, uniforms, tools, business travel, charity donations. Government checks monkey's info. If underpaid, monkey pays extra. If overpaid, monkey gets a tax refund. Tax audits. If monkey makes suspicious deductions, government audits him. Tax audit equals government double-checking monkey's bananas. Monkey sweating. Please don't send me to prison. What if monkey doesn't pay taxes? First, warning. Then, interest added. Then, government takes monkey's leaves. Finally, monkey goes to prison. Tax around the world. USA, IRS, Internal Revenue Silverback. Australia, ATO, Australian Tax Orangutan. UK to HMRC, Her Majesty's Revenue Capuchin. Some countries have very high taxes. Finland, Japan, Australia. Some countries have no taxes. Cayman Islands, Dubai, Antarctica. How rich monkeys pay less. Rich monkeys use tricks to avoid high taxes. They earn from stocks, property, or collectibles. These are taxed less than income from jobs. Capital gains tax, income tax. Dividends from stocks also taxed less. Negative gearing, claim losses on treehouse rent as deductions. Offshore companies in low-tax countries. History of taxes. Taxes have always been controversial. Even bananas caused tax debates in the past. Some argued bananas were necessity, not luxury. Sometimes bananas weren't taxed. They were used as bribes. How to make taxes less scary. Monkeys should track expenses and keep receipts. Make a budget to prepare for taxes, or hire a monkey accountant to help. Accountant's fee may even be tax deductible. In the jungle, only two things are guaranteed: death, taxes, and bananas.